What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with David and Gabby. David, come out.
Okay, Papi.
Hey, yo. I got Gabby over there. Sneaking in, my boy. Today, we're gonna be doing like a little challenge type thing. They got a new body for their RC right there. Let's bring it in. Look at this.
Yeah, mommy.
They got colors.
Red.
So they're gonna be designing them, and I'm gonna be rating them. I'm gonna be helping them too, though. So let's get it. Let me see, David. What did you get?
What do you mean?
Here, open yours. Open it.
Okay. Here, just here. Yeah.
Here, my boy. Look at this. Clear. What color are you gonna be doing, David? Tell them.
Just hot chili pepper red.
Red and black. The good thing about Davis is that his can cut already. You just gotta start painting. Gabby, come. Now you show them yours with the color. Look at this. Open it though, my boy.
Yeah, my boy. Hey, dude.
Look at this.
Yeah, he gotta cut her.
Boy, what is this? We gotta cut it still.
It looks like a charger.
It's gonna be like a.
Charger.
Did it bring a picture thing?
Yeah, it's on the shit.
The front looks like a charger, kind of. Look at it.
Wanna be?
What colors are you doing, Gabby? Oh, and Gabby got new tires for his too.
Like one better?
Gabby, what colors are you?
This is green. Then this is white. And the other colors is white. And yeah.
Alright.
I don't be stealing
Let's
some
get
of dude's black.
Let's get cutting Gabby's. Let's do it. Look at this. Started cutting already. Gabby,
Yeah.
you wanna do it or I do it?
You could do it.
Alright, let's start right here. Where should I start? The back or the front? The back. Fuck it.
Wait a minute.
What happened? Now we just gotta tape this one and David's. Where's it, David? David took it?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this back right here white and then the front black. And then I'm gonna be doing some green aliens somewhere on the car. And then that's all. So I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna paint it fully black and red right here on both sides. And I'm gonna do a little broken heart, you know, do it something. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So we're gonna be shooting at the end. But who knows? So we have the spider ball guns right here. So which one should we choose, Gabby? Which one are you taking?
I'm gonna choose the pistol.
I'm taking this one, the AK.
You mean SMG? That's the AK.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like the AK.
Oh yeah, mine's shooting.
Shoot! So it already has bullets, as you guys can see.
Yup.
He has no idea. So I'm gonna go on the other side. He will never know.
Give us the notice, okay?
Shh. So as you guys can see, he's right there. He's not gonna know. I don't know.
Hey! Oh! There it is! There. Oh my Vale, I'm shooting your ass for recording for that. I bet you told them.
Maybe?
Ah.
Did that hurt? No. No.
That's I'm getting this shit. Hey, there. There. Now stay back. Here, no, there. Alright, here.
He said
Gabby, there. Here, David.
Get that fucking shit off this
Alright, there. Someone got me in the ass. Alright. Did you guys start doing your tape?
You had my body, sir?
Look at this. We need something to make the hole
Okay,
go.
that was enough of prank. Your knife.
Alright, we're gonna color now. I'm gonna start off with Gabby's. I'm gonna help him right now.
Broke my nail.
You got the white.
My skin.
Ready, Gabby? You wanna do it or I do it? Gabby? Gabby,
What?
you do it or I do it?
You could do it. What are you gonna do?
Look at this.
Is it gonna be red and black or what?
I got half already. First coat though. And then look at David.
What?
Vale's helping David.
Yeah, that's
Dude,
a
right
better
there.
one.
I can don't focus it better.
Zoom it out.
I know I did. This is technical difficulties right here. Wait,
Like it, Gabby? What do you think about it?
10 out of 10. It don't go down no more. Which one is to lose? This?
Try it. Should go down.
And I would break it. Yeah, I'll just leave it right there. This is the lowest I could go. Is this to loosen it? Oh, you just...
As y'all can tell, David is doing an amazing job. Like totally.
Oh.
Let me see, David. Show them your side. Show them my side. So that's Vale's side. This is my side.
Oh my
As
God.
you can tell better.
I'm a bad recorder.
This is David's side.
You're gonna give me a 0-star rating for this recording right now, idea.
The worst painting. But when it's
Okay, back
look better, no?
here. Why did it go down, Ariel? Because I could barely,
Got so much paint.
I could barely do this. I can't go downstairs.
You can tell.
Okay, guys. So some change of plans. We're actually gonna better do this. Some blue.
Blue.
I mean red.
My boy said red. Blue, I mean.
And then we're gonna paint the rooms black actually since they're green.
Come, Gabby.
You know the new one?
You don't want the roof too, right?
Everything.
We're gonna have to. Here.
Wait,
We'll do it over here, like.
not we don't. Okay. All right, Pete. Do I take something for it? Don't get.
No, I got it. Ready?
All right, here, look. Under. And the back is already red. That's why.
Right here.
All right.
Ready?
Let's go.
That looks like
That
you
looks-
killed someone. Like
Look.
you run the horse on my boy. That looks bad.
That looks mean.
I
Oh.
thought it was something.
Yeah.
You're thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah. Give the white.
Half and half. You could have had that.
You got that?
You want it fully?
Ah, I see.
I say fully. That is gonna look pretty sick.
Yeah, fully.
Fully? Are you
Fully.
sure?
Yeah.
Look at that. That shit looks
That
nice.
shit looks nice.
Ready?
Mm.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Let's go to the RC color. Oh, let's go. Get the little size also. Oh yeah, that looks nice.
Look right here. Right here.
Nicest color.
What you think?
I think nice.
Oh, right here. Right this way, then.
We totally didn't cheat.
Look at that.
That shit's nice,
think?
bro.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, now let's let it dry.
What do we do meanwhile?
Let's go see what they're doing.
Or should we start painting the rims also?
Start taping them.
Or let's unbox the new tires. New set of tires. Okay, I know you guys saw, but we got a new set of tires for that RC also. Yeah, okay guys. We got a new set of tires. That shit's beautiful, the set of tires.
Spiky boy.
Spiky.
Are you gonna want them, Gabby?
Sheesh.
You don't want them black?
Black.
Yeah.
Is there white?
Red.
Black.
Mhm.
Black, huh?
Black's gonna be the.
Black,
sure?
yeah.
We can paint over the
Or we
black
could
one.
do. Yeah, we want.
What else colors do we have?
I was thinking black.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, black.
That's all? We have white.
From where? From now? Splatter?
Black, white, black, red, black, all black and red, and then we splatter some red of the paint.
What?
Oh my! All black, and then we splatter some red on this. On
Red
the
or white?
red?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
But like we smush the body.
Huh?
We smush the body.
Alright, so let's tape it.
Tape.
Can you get another
Okay, guys. So we actually changed our minds and we
Little
and we
red.
did red actually.
Where the wheels at, Gabby?
The wheels on the bus are over here.
Go get them.
Watch out, homies.
Our wheels on like there's a body. The wheels on the bus are these. These six nuts. The green is where we ran over an alien right now. We just did something crazy.
Look, come.
Well, we just did right now, guys.
Look, I mixed this, Gabby. Look, my boy.
Look, we did green. We did a nice green
I'm gonna
right now.
splatter it like this. Look, huh? This? No.
Yup.
Bring it. Put it on the ground. Put it on this paper. Look. Yeah. Ready? Let's splatter it, right? All over the car or not?
All over.
Or not?
It's on you.
It's on you. It's your car.
Sharpie, black, right here for the lines.
Yeah, that's fine. Are you gonna want to fully?
No, splatter it like around the bottom.
Look at this. Got the rims. This is the body now.
No wonder
What do you think about it, Gabby? You like it or
10
not?
out of 10.
Honestly. Alright, let's get these stickers on it. No? Let's get it.
I'm also gonna want.
Look at this, guys. We're done with ours. How, Gabby?
Yup.
Look at this.
She's a beauty.
Rate it 1 to 10, my guys. Look at
And
it.
they're done also.
We're not
They're almost done.
Almost done.
My boy, why you get so mad?
I know.
Sucker.
Shut up, bitch. Watch this.
What
bitch.
you say?
Now shut up, bitch.
Alright,
You wanna
man.
fight?
Oh, shit.
You know what?
No.
No.
Look at this, guys.
David, stop.
Go, Gabby. Dale, go.
David, no, David. Párale.
See you guys in a bit when they're done. Alright, guys, we're done. We got David's and Vales. What did you guys name it, David?
Heartbreaker.
Look at this. They're done. Heartbreaker.
Show the other side. Show the other side.
Hold on.
360 of it?
Yes, sir. Okay, David.
Because he's a heartbreaker. Because he has a crush on Chloe.
Damn, Chloe, you're watching this? Just know
Chloe from Japan.
you're messed
No, she
up.
lives in Japan.
Alright, ready?
Japan.
And then this is mine and Gabby's. We finished. Damn. What is it called, Gabby?
The alien killer?
The Alien Smasher, homie.
Oh,
Look at this. We run over an alien. That's why it's green.
yeah. That shit musty.
That shit musty dusty.
Y'all like it or what?
No, I hate it.
No, I hate it.
It's disgusting. Mine's better.
Comment down below which team won.
Hey, and we even did the tires.
Dang.
We went out
And we finished first.
Because yours doesn't have a lot of details.
Excuse me?
Look
at this.
at mine. Look at
It's a
ours.
charger,
Look at ours.
homie.
Go, that one. Look. Shut up. Nuh-uh. We did ours.
Wait, how much calls did you guys do? How much calls did you guys do?
0. Look.
5 million.
Look.
Alright, guys. Comment down below which team won.
The Heartbreakers?
Don't comment.
The heart. What? Yeah, the Heartbreakers or the Alien Smasher, homie. Better vote for us right here.
No.
Yes, sir.
If you guys don't
Get
vote
it.
for Heartbreaker, then
You guys
Jay Charles is gonna come eat you.
No, Jen Charles is gonna go suck your toes.
Oh, in the night. Te va a dar el cucuy, homie.
Te va a agarrar de las patas y te va a estar
Alright. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. Comment down below which team won. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what type of videos you guys want. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, please. I'm trying to get more subscribers.
And tell us if you guys
We hit 100 already. Thanks for 100. And what, Gabby? What are you gonna say?
and comment if you're gonna want any challenges or
Yes, sir.
anything.
And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Love